This channel is all about being positive, outgoing, adventurous, and fun, which doesn't seem to be happening, but there's always something. Hey everyone, it's your boy Stevie, the Valley Grommer here. Boy, these past week has been eventful. I'm just making this quick little video. I've got a series of videos coming down the line. Some I wanted to do, some I didn't want to have to do, but the first one being Power Commander came in and I did an install video on that and went very well. I successfully loaded the map onto the bike. I went riding. It seemed great. Preliminary ride. It went out for about an hour and a half or so. During that time, as you saw the short before, heard a pop sound and something went wrong with the bike. Through preliminary diagnosing and troubleshooting, it didn't seem to be mechanical. The motor fires right up. Things are working properly. However, when I give it the beans, it starts cutting out. And at first I thought it was electrical. Now I'm leaning towards fuel. There was a lot to do for me to continue to diagnose and try to figure out what the heck is actually happening. I'm okay. It's just, it's not, the situation is not ideal. And I can't tell if it's something that I did or something else decided to go. We'll move forward from here. That's all we can do is we got to stay positive, right? That's it. Because this ain't the end all be all, the Fury, I tell you that. We will get around this hump. We will come out on top. Yeah, we'll make it. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out together. All right, team. All right. Try not to be a bummer. I hate being a bummer. I don't like being a bummer. This channel is all about being positive, outgoing, adventurous, and fun, which doesn't seem to be happening, but there's always something. But that's it. I gotta do a bunch of editing and stuff and talk to a bunch of people. I've been checking the forums. I've been doing what I can to get this going back together, but it's gonna be a while. I apologize. Keep on keeping on, as I always say. So that's it. Peace.